Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTier and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I am coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another DIY project, and I am going to be incorporating these wood beads into the design. These wood beads, y'all, you can only find these wood beads at Joann's Fabric, okay? They are 7 ounces, and these are the people who make them, okay? And the one thing that I can say about these wood beads is that the quality. This is an awesome brand, okay? This brand of wood beads is quality, 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 okay? I'm going to pick a couple of them out so you can see what I mean when I say quality. This is what they look like. Most of the time when you buy wood beads, the wood beads have dents in them, okay? Some of them have dents in them. But I have bought this brand time after time after time, and I never find one that no, I can't say that, but far and few in between, I may get one that may have a little dent in it. But I still love the quality of these beads. The way that they are made, the shine, the shine that they have on them. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into the actual video. And I just wanted to come to y'all to show y'all a different brand of beads that you can use for this design. You're going to have to get these right here if you want to create the design that I'm going to show you today, okay? And, of course, these right here. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So here are the items that you are going to need for this pop-up DIYs project. You're going to need your ruler. You're going to need some coral shells. So for this project, you're going to need 2 coral shells per earring. So you're going to need 4 altogether. You're going to need 2 fish hooks. You're going to need some wire cutters, some round nose pliers, some 12 gauge aluminum wire, and I have already cut my aluminum wire 19 inches long, okay? 12 gauge aluminum wire, 19 inches long. You're going to need an assortment of wood beads, okay? I have these wood beads in 4 different colors. You're going to need 26 wood beads because you're going to be doing this project in 2 separate parts. For the first part, you're going to be using these right here. These are the ones that I chose. You're going to need 3 of these from the other brand of beads that I showed you. So these wood beads are between 10 and 12 millimeter. I believe these are 12 millimeter. So you're going to need 3 of these. You're going to need 3 or 4 actually of these 6 millimeter brown wood beads. Okay, so this is going to be the first part, and the second part you're going to need 26 6 millimeter wood beads. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So I have already cut my wire. And the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make the body of the earring. So I'm going to make a loop down the bottom of my wire. I am going to go down about 1/2 of an inch. And I'm just eyeballing it, but go down about 1/2 of an inch on your wire. Bend it over just like that. And then you're going to make a loop. Just like this. So basically, this is what you are going to have. I hope y'all can see that, okay? That's what you're going to have. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I am going to start adding on these beads right here. So I'm going to use a small 6mm bead. Put this one on. And the thing that I do like about these beads is that they fit tight. Okay, they're just right for this project. So you're going to put this one on just like that, and then you're going to add one of these brown ones, another one of these. This one I want in the center, so we're going to add that one on. We're going to add another small brown bead. And the very last bead that we're going to add on is the last 12mm bead. And then we're going to add one more brown bead on top of that, and I'm going to show you what you are going to have. So this basically is the body of your earring, okay? So this is what your earring should look like. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a loop at the top of my earring. Okay, a loop, I'm going to make a loop. So basically, I am going, and I'm doing this with my fingers. I'm going to bend it to the side, okay? And I'm just going to bring it around just like this. Straighten this up. Okay. So basically that's what you are going to have. Now it doesn't really matter what size you make your loop, as long as you, when you make your other earring, that you try to get as close as you can to that loop so that they can both look precise and even, okay? So the next thing that I am going to do, bring that down, I am going to wrap my wire around my loop. So I'm going to take my wire and go around just like this, all the way around, just like that. Okay, so you want to wrap it all the way around, and you're going to come, and it's going to come out. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add on my other beads. Now when I add on my other beads, I'm going to be doing them by color. So I'm basically going to start off with my light color first. I'm going to go with this tan one, and I'm going to bring that down. And then I'm going to go with a light tan, which is this color right here. Okay. Then I am going to go with a brown color, the brown one. And then I'm going to go with this is another tan, but it's not as light as this tan. See, it's two different colors, okay? So I'm going to add this one on. And so basically what I'm going to do is I am going to, and this is how you're going to start it. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add on all 26 of my beads. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all how to connect it to the body part of your earring. So I will go do that and I will be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I did forget two very important pieces. You're going to need 2 jump rings, and you are also going to need some 20 gauge wire. Okay, now your 20 gauge wire, you can cut this wire till about maybe 6 inches. okay? So we're going to go ahead and get back with the video.